Yo, what's up everyone? I'm here.
Yay, Uncle Fred made it!
Of course, I wouldn't miss my son's birthday.
What?
Nephew. Bro, where have you been? The birthday party started hours ago. Bro, you won't believe it.
Listen carefully. If you love Satan, skip this video, but it might hurt your mom. If you love Jesus and mom, please click follow, like, comment, I love Jesus and mommy, and share. I will give you 3 seconds to make a decision.
What? I saw 2 dudes with matching outfits. Okay. I just asked them, how long have they been dating? Seriously, that's why you're late? No, I'm late because they arrested me for a couple of hours.
Oh, great heavens!